We are going to look at place values and comparing decimals. So for the example we have, we're going to be looking more up to the 10,000th place. Step 1 is to write the first number on top of the second number, starting by lining up the decimals. The decimals have to be one directly above the other, and then filling in the other digits. We add in zeros after the last digit in the decimal to make sure that everything has something lined up. When we can look at this example, we have the 5s and the 1s place are the same. The 10ths place are the same. So we look at the 100ths place where we have a 0 and a 2. Since the 2 is larger, this bottom number is greater. So 5 and 1,098 10,000ths is less than 5 and 1200ths. Pause the video, try the examples on your own, and then come back to the video and compare your work to the examples. Example 1. 7 and 3100ths, 7 and 304 thousandths. Write the two numbers one above the other. Notice we had to add a 0 after the 1 so that everything has digits in the place values. The 7s are the same, the 3 are the same, so we're comparing the hundredths. The 1 is larger than the 0, so that means our top number is larger than the smaller number. We are going to use a greater than symbol because the larger number was to the left. Again, write your numbers down, adding in a 0 after the last digit so that there is a number in every place value. Comparing your place values, the hundredths place is the first time we have two different digits. The top one is larger than the bottom one. So we're going to again use the greater than symbol. Write your numbers again. This time we're looking at the 10ths place value. The 8 is smaller than the 9, so our top number is smaller than our bottom number. So we are going to use the less than symbol. Example 4. Line your digits up. This time we are comparing the 10ths place. We have an 8 and a 0. The top number is larger than the bottom number. We will be using greater than. Write your numbers. We are comparing the hundredths place value. The 1 is larger than the 0. The top number then is smaller than the bottom number. We are going to be using a less than symbol. Last example. Write your digits down. The 10ths value has different numbers. So remember, you always start with the value to the left that first has the different numbers. The 2 and the 3, so the bottom number is larger than the top number, which means we are using a less than.